So how to set up your booth for a marketplace. You want it to be an experience for someone walking. You want it to be a boutique. That's how me and mom like to do ours. We want it to feel like you're shopping at a real store. So let me show you guys how we set up.
Girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my NY.
So me and my mom have been doing pop-ups for a long time. We've been doing this since before it was popular out here. Before the pandemic, me and my mom were doing pop-ups at the Jazz Fest. So I feel like we know. So I feel like we know the ins and outs of doing pop-ups. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I love to answer them. So the first thing you're gonna need is a tent. You need an easy up tent. Make sure it says easy up, y'all. Make sure it says easy up. You want to be able to do it by yourself if need be. The tent that we do have, I can set up by myself. It's always good to have someone else to help me, but I can do it by myself. And I say get it easy up because personally I don't like the feeling of needing someone to do something. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to have to ask someone to help me do something, even though it's me and my mom's business. Just in case, like, if I have to do an event by myself, I want to be able to do it, set up a tent by myself without asking another vendor or someone else to assist me. Personal preference to get it easy up. The one that we have is $150, I believe. I'm gonna have a link below. I have a link below. It's from Home Depot. You can find another one from Amazon. And some events, they require you to have a certain color. A lot of people require to be white. That's like if you're doing like a big event like the Jazz Fest and stuff like that. Some Jazz Fests is required to be white, or sometimes they provide it for you, but they don't. You know, that's another little fight. So the tent that we have, as you guys see, is real. We actually have 3 tents. Okay, these tents are easy to break as well. So put that in the back of your mind. They're easy to break. Me and mom have big events. We do put out our banner. Our banner, we got it made from a small business out here in LA. It's huge. At first, when we first got it, we were a little like, okay, we were like, oh my god, it's too big, but actually it's perfect for us. You guys see it, Bourgeois Boutique is big. It says, it's like for there. I love it. I love it. And it's easier for us to put it up. The poles are from Home Depot as well. So if you guys don't want to go all out with that, with a big banner over your tent, you also can have like a one that you can pull up. We have one of those too. I don't know the exact name, but we I'm gonna say this: if you get those are easy to break. Like when you're the retraction, whatever, those things are easy to break. Okay, now let's talk to the tent. We get that all that out. Let's talk about your fixtures, your tables, and all that. And mind you, for setup, I like it to be easy to break down as well. And I don't like anything too heavy. If you know, you know. Doing pop-ups is no joke, especially when you're tired, and especially if you didn't make any sales. That's tough to pack up angry. Anyway, make sure everything is light as well. So oh my god, I can't even speak, guys. Late. The tables that we use are very easy to assemble. You just push a button and you can pull the legs up. We bought 3. In a 10 by 10 tent, you can fit 3 comfortably, but you know, you can rearrange some stuff, but 3 comfortably. And we got 2 chairs for me and mom. Our chairs that we sit on are very basic. I want different chairs, but the chairs for me and mom are, you know, just basic fold up chairs. Okay, now let's talk about the tablecloths. Well, these are not even, okay, we don't use tablecloths. We use, I'm gonna have a link for you guys to see. So the table, I don't know what to call it. We're gonna call it tablecloths for right now. They are tight on the legs of the table. That makes sense. So basically, it's hard to explain. I'm just gonna show you how it looks. So basically, the wind doesn't lift it. It's perfect. And I'm gonna have a link. Everything I'm talking mentioned is gonna be a link for you guys to check it out. We sell sunglasses, so we have a sunglass case. We have 3 different cases. For the sunglass cases, I do prefer white. I feel like it's better, but whatever. We have black and we have a white one. I feel like the white is better because the customers can see. They'll, you know, especially at night, they can see our products better. Our clothing rack, we have a metal one. This is kind of heavy to lift those. So put that in the back of your mind as well. But we have clothing racks. We have about we have 3 clothing racks. So oh, my hand, my hand itching. Is that money coming, y'all? All right, I'm sorry. So we have 3 clothing racks, but we have a, like, it depends on what type of event we're selling at. At the last one that we did, when we brought 1 clothing rack, and that's technically, that was a sale one. And also mannequins. If you're a boutique, an online boutique, mannequins will help sell your items, y'all. I'm not playing. The mannequins will grab people's attention while they're walking, and that's what you want. You want to grab them while they're walking, because at these marketplaces, pop-ups, whatever you want to call it, it's so much competition. Well, I'm not even say competition, because I'm not worried about competition. It's a lot of other small business owners. Perfect. There's a lot of other small business owners, and you want customers to stop at your booth. You want them to remember you and all that. So the mannequins, it's a must. And every hour, me and my mom like to switch out our mannequins. So basically, if something's not selling, nobody's really gravitating, we will switch out the mannequins and, you know, let that keep on flying. And also, we like, well, my mom actually likes to do this. She likes to have stuff hanging. I don't really like stuff like that, but whatever. You guys saw our, I don't know the name of it. It's like a grid. We have it hanging. We have zip ties to hang it on the back of our tent. And then also we have other fixtures that connects to it. My mom, she picked all that out. But mind you, like I said, everything we down below. And we use that as well for stuff to for grab people's attention when they come in. So when you come inside of our booth, it's like a, we like it as a circle. That makes sense. So like basically, it's a circle. So people can come inside, look around. Yeah, it's nice. Well, I feel like it's nice. And mind you, at every event that me and mom do, I show you guys other vendors set us as well, so you guys can get ideas if you're interested. So that's it. That's how me and mom set up our booth. And I hope you guys are subscribed, because every event that we do, we vlog it as well. That's my little baby, my dog. He's just okay. He's being nosy. But anyway, that's how we set up our event. And also, me and mom own our own marketplace. Our marketplace is this weekend, so I'm gonna vlog that as well. You guys already know I vlog everything about my life. Is all of, you know, hold on, subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, vlogs, beauty, and lifestyle. I am in grad school as well, so you guys know I document that. And so that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Everything I mentioned, I'm gonna have a link for you guys to purchase if you're interested. And also shop me and mom online, our online store. We cater to all sizes, and yeah, that's the whole vibe. That's it.